Okay, welcome to the next training video. In this one, we need to go ahead and write our follow-up. So the final stage is the follow-up emails that they receive after they join your list. So once they join your list, they will be taken to the sales page for the product that you are promoting. So that's the first thing we do. Within the web form, we've made sure that that gets redirected to the actual sales page. Okay, so as soon as they opt in, they see the sales page. Now, most people don't actually pay great attention because they've opted in to get something else, maybe something for free, or they're probably not ready to purchase straight away. So we then go ahead and we follow up with them. So I have a set email sequence that I have tested and personally used. This gets me the very best results and allows me to build a list quickly and receive excellent returns as I grow my list. The breakdown of my follow-up sequence is as follows. So email number 1. So as soon as they join, they get sent to these the offer. If they don't get that offer, they maybe not look at the offer, whatever it may be. We go ahead and we send an email to them. Now this email just welcomes them again and reintroduces the main product that you are promoting. So we promote the product again through the first email. The second email is a reminder. So we send them a reminder about that main product and the previous email that we sent. So it could be something like, reminder, did you get my previous email? Also remind them of the initial problem. So we want to make sure we remind them of the problem, the reason why they went to have a look at that. And we go ahead and we give them some benefits that your actual solution has, or the product, the solution has. Now, email 3 is 24 hours to go. So this email will create that urgency and we give them a reason to make a decision. So they will keep rejecting the offer because there's no reason I can get it later, I'll get it next week, I'll get it next week. So we want to bring those people forward. Okay, so this helps them get off the fence and take some action. Now, email 4 is the actual final chance. So this is where you send an email saying, hey, final chance to grab this product. Okay, this email gives them one more chance to grab the solution before the reminders stop or the price rises. Depending on what it may be, you'll have to have a reason why it's the final chance. Now, this works very well in product launches because there's countdown timers and prices do end, products do close down, and prices do rise. But when it's something else different, you may say that the reminders will stop. Okay, oh, this is the last chance, because this will be my last reminder. Now, email 5 is now where I just send them something for free. I just send them some tips, some information, or a short report, or something similar. Now, this always is going to be on a related subject as well. So I want to keep them in the twist and I want to keep sending them something, but I don't want to push them too much. So after that email, I just go ahead and I continue to use a similar promotional cycle to promote other similar or related affiliate offers. So I try to email every day or at least every second day. So you can just continue this cycle and look into product launches as well. They work very, very well. And continue to do this to build your list. Now, watch as I show you how to set up your email follow-up sequence into your actual autoresponder.